Ever found yourself stuck in a texting limbo, desperately wanting to make your crush excited to hear from you? For many of us, figuring out how to text your crush feels like a bit of a mind game. You can't be too forward, but you also can't be too distant. Wondering how to make your crush feel excited through text? Don't worry, because we've got the perfect guide for you. Here are a few tips. Skip the small talk when your crush sends a simple hey and you're scrambling for a good reply. Pause for a second instead of the usual response. Try shaking things up with something like, hey, how about we skip the small talk? Swap the basic hey with something more interesting to spark a memorable conversation. This not only piques your crush's curiosity, but also nudges them to share something engaging. And by letting them offer something worthwhile, you'll naturally make them eager to chat with you more. Add a touch of mystery. The great thing about texting your crush is that you can take your time crafting your messages. So even if you usually get nervous around them, you can still keep your cool. Be confident but slightly elusive. Show your interest without going all in by sending something playful like, want to play the truths and a lie? Share yours and I'll send mine. Keep certain things about yourself a secret to let the curiosity grow and have them wanting to discover more of your personality. And before you know it, they'll be hooked on every message you send. Learn the art of teasing. Playful back and forth banter is a guaranteed way to add fun to your conversations. A well-placed joke or clever comment can make your text stand out and keep your crush excited for your next witty reply. Keep things easygoing and cheerful, and make sure not to cross any lines. Feel free to poke fun at yourself too, not just them, to help them feel more at ease around you. Remember, the goal is to make them smile and impress them with your clever, playful energy so sparks fly every time you text. Know when to give space. There's a reason so. Many people say playing hard to get works when flirting. Excitement can grow when there's a bit of distance, so give your crush some room to miss your digital presence instead of filling their inbox. Send thoughtful, meaningful messages that leave an impression and let the anticipation build naturally. This will leave them looking forward to each message you send. Ask open-ended questions. If you want your crush to genuinely enjoy texting you, drop the yes or no questions. Ask them open-ended questions that encourage them to share more. For instance, instead of saying, "Did you have a good day?" try asking, "What was the highlight of your day?" This shows real interest and keeps the conversation moving. Share exciting updates. Picture this. You just won a contest. Or maybe you tried cooking for the first time. It was a total disaster. Sharing moments like these, whether big or small, helps build connection. Keep your crush updated about fun things happening in your life, whether it's a funny story, a new achievement, or an upcoming adventure. Sharing positive moments creates a sense of shared experiences. It's not about bragging. It is about inviting them into your world. And who doesn't enjoy a fun story or a hilarious fail? Send thoughtful good morning and good night messages. Picture it. Your crush wakes up to their phone buzzing softly, and there it is. Your sweet good morning text, like a little ray of sunshine. Hope you have a great day. Suddenly, they start their morning with a smile. Or at night, as they're winding down, they open their phone to see, "Wishing you the sweetest dreams tonight." Small messages like these can be a cute way to give your crush butterflies. Beginning and ending their day with a thoughtful message from you is a sure way to stay on their mind. Texting your crush should feel fun, not stressful. Dive into the world of flirty texting with these 7 expert-approved tips and tricks. And while we can't promise you'll get this exact reply, we want you to know this is the flirty texting experience you deserve if you are ready for it. So, are you ready to hit send? Share any personal texting tips you swear by in the comments below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Click here if you want to watch how to tell if someone likes you over text, or 3 texting mistakes that keep you single. Thanks for watching and happy texting.